Yo, what's good guys? Today I'm showing you how to beat the Bloodmoon and Thunderstorm modifiers in Night 1 of Residence Massacre. For this guide, I'm going to be using the lights on strat, so I'm going to keep every light on inside of the house besides the one at the entrance. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy. So after I filled the gen, I'm just gonna fix the power box here and then run back inside of the house. So this will make him spawn at this window only. Yeah, see, there he is. So you need to fill the generator after every scare, and you need to do it quickly because in Blood Moon he spawns faster. So you don't want him to spawn outside. If you're running back inside of the house and the power goes out, don't go fix it. It's gonna make him spawn outside. What you're gonna do instead is you're gonna stay in the house for like 6 seconds and then you go out and fix it. That way you're sure that he spawns in a window and you will get scared. See? I'll stay in for now. I'm not gonna go fill the gen. Okay, thunder hit the house, but it's okay. We can just wait a few seconds and then we go fix the power. Ooh, that was close. Okay, I need to hurry up here. Also, you can stop filling the gen at 3 AM. Like, you're gonna have enough for the night, don't worry. Oh, now it's too risky to go outside because it's gonna be 4 soon, and if you go out after 4, you will always spawn outside. So I'm gonna show you how to do the stair juking method. Don't stay there for too long because there's a bug where he will sometimes not despawn. Okay, don't do this in a real game. But I'm gonna fill the gen at 4 and I'm gonna show you what to do if he spawns outside. So just drink a cola and then do the stair juke again. Bro's dreaming right now. It's about to be 6, so you can just stay inside for the rest of the night. And this is how you beat night 1 with the Bloodmoon and Thunderstorm. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.